Hi, welcome to the Plaiwoo channel. Today, I'm bringing you the top 5 Formica designs for modern kitchens that are trending this year. If you're planning to remodel your kitchen, these finishes combine style, durability, and a clean, contemporary look. Let's jump into the top. Tula Oak. A warm, natural, minimalist design, perfect for modern kitchens with a Scandinavian touch. Tuscan Romano. Inspired by Italian stone, ideal for creating elegant and sophisticated countertops. Midnight Stones. A dark, modern finish that adds contrast, depth, and a premium look to any kitchen. Bianco Antico. The perfect choice if you want brightness. Its light tones make the kitchen look more spacious and fresh. Planked Urban Oak. A contemporary design with strong texture and personality, great for kitchen cabinets and decorative panels. The best part is that all 5 designs pair beautifully and work perfectly in modern, minimalist, or industrial-style kitchens. If you want more options, pricing, and real project inspiration, visit Plaiwoo.com, where you'll find everything you need to transform your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and turn on notifications for more quick guides like this. See you in the next video.